here, some of you have a platform outside the window, and they have rails. You walk down the roof to a ladder that's caged. You can see the angle, the channel that the rails are welded to. You can see the bend in the rail pipe down there. You're walking down the roof. There is no catwalk. And you're going over to a ladder there where someone has extended it and made a cage on it down the ladder and down to the ground. And you walk across the roof where they have rails to contain you, but no catwalk. Come over and take the ladder down the side of the building there. You can see coming off the roof, you take the ladder there, transfer to the other ladder, come down that far, then transfer to this ladder, and you come to the ground. You see the ladder is welded there. They've welded a cage on it. The other ladder, the brackets are welded to it. It looks to be lag screwed in. And that one, those there are covered by the vinyl siding. And you can see we're up above the extent of the railing.